I'm the sales director on the residential business of Pentair, which includes the pumps, the residential and irrigation pump, and the aquatic business.
I'm Carsten Andersen, and I'm the director for Pentair's activities in Australia and New Zealand. Pentair decided last year to separate its business, which was at that stage both an electrical business and a water business. Pentair viewed that they could increase its value to the shareholders by becoming a pure-play water business. As part of this change, Pentair has made the decision to put its business into three main business units: aquatics or pool, flow, or as we call it, pumps, and filtration solutions. Pentair has chosen in this part of the world to implement a new strategy where we are going for the model of One Pentair. While in Europe and in the US we have retained the divisional structure due to size, we have decided in Australia and New Zealand to join the three units under the One Pentair leadership team. So the main change in this part of the world is that we are now no longer a group of independent small units, but we are aligning us as one united team, which ultimately means that for the customers of our products, we're able to create scale in our logistics operation, scale in our marketing operation, scale in our overall business that supports our frontline sales and service people, and therefore ultimately will support our dealers and our builders in the pool industry.
So basically make the whole team efficient from a country perspective, and we believe in customer first from the Pentair side, and what we actually want is all the back-end operations be consolidated and all instead of working in silos, and have the front end serve the customers.
Pool customers will still be getting pool experts handling their business?
So yes, what we are looking is that we need product champions also, expert champions instead of jack of all trades. Okay, we are depends on this area. Like if it's in a more urban area, there are more concentration of in a sales team who are pool experts. Whereas in the rural side, yes, there are pools, but it's more on the irrigation side. So it's spread out based on the demographics of the customer. Okay.
But it's very important to understand that with the One Pentair, it does not mean that every salesperson will sell every product. What it means is One Pentair means one united Pentair inside, and it means very focused approaches to the market. So our pool builders and our pool specialists that we have been dealing with for years can expect the same professional representation with an added support from the inside of Pentair. Bipin, because Bipin has demonstrated that he has an ability to deal well with people who service this market. We're confident that the support structure that we're building around Bipin for specialized people, there will be specialized leaders in sales of the pool equipment, and there will be specialized people also in the pump side supporting him as well. So what we are trying to do is Bipin will lead our customer first approach in residential, in the home market. He will still have the overall strategic responsibility for the full aquatics group, which means also including the commercial market. But right now we are spending more time because we want to be in the residential zone with all of our offerings. As Bipin says, we are now a unique company. We can offer everything to do with water in, the enjoyment of water in your home, and water out of your home. That's a unique Pentair situation.
We are already internally started having internal sales training for the staff to make them more experts. Instead of just order takers, they need to understand the products. We have just started that. In future, we're going to roll out having customer training, okay, state-wise, based on, and also we plan to release out programs the next year for our customers, to understand what Pentair is, what Pentair can offer, and training is, yes, it's a very important part from our retail sector, the distribution. They need training, So we are looking to fill all those spaces as a training managers, more product managers coming in so that we can grow this business. That's
R&D and new products are very important for Pentair. Pentair has for a long time shown its ability to innovate, and I think we can say that the aquatics business or the pool business has been at the forefront. Some of the experiences we've had in aquatics we are now putting through also the flow business as well. So it's all about moving Pentair closer to the user. It's all about Pentair getting a lot better knowledge about the application, its users and its installers. That in itself is probably the biggest change in our approach, not just talking to our intermediaries who are critical in our business and who we also listen to extensively, but Pentair is now looking to collect information at the user level more than ever before. To separate Invent away, we were a $5 billion business, and now with the $2 billion gone and created a new business, we're a $3 billion business. And as I said to you before, we have now got a very clear main structure around these three areas for Australians: pool, pumps, and filtration systems. And I think you will find that our strategy is very clear. We are now focused on organic growth at this stage with increased innovation. I think when we look from the outside and why people choose to work with Pentair, it is that we have a unique core capabilities both in filtration, in pumps, and in the treatment of water across. So if you look as a pool owner, you can be assured that not only is the pump that you are buying from Pentair one of the best in the world, it is coming from the experience of Pentair's pump technology in pool as well as in the whole pump division, as well as the filtration systems that we are working on for the future. We have an extensive business already today in filtration system for very advanced application. So I think that when you look at from what sets us apart is our ability to blend our technologies and direct it straight to our core customer groups, in this case the Australian homeowner who enjoys their pool.